My name is Stacy Harmson. I'm a behavior specialist at an elementary school.
My name is Paige Harmson. I am a radiology technologist. I work at an orthopedic clinic here in town.
I love Sioux Falls because it's bigger city, but it's got kind of a small community feel to it.
Go downtown quite a bit. They got some cool breweries and wineries down there, and we just like to hang out with friends.
We should do like a yearly couple trip.
Yes.
We'll go downtown for walks, Falls Park. We can do a lot of antiquing.
Oh, Stace, this exactly matches the one I have at home. Our first house, we didn't really think before we bought it. We just kind of bought it.
Our plan was kind of to stay there for up to 5 years. We made it 2.5, and then we decided it's time for something bigger as we get more serious about having a family. So this next house will definitely be our forever home. I like the price for this one, though.
Our max budget is $250,000. I would prefer a ranch-style home. All the bedrooms on the same level, same as the living room. I just feel like a ranch would be best for me.
I'm opposite of that. I don't want a ranch. I like to have at least 2 floors. I like the Victorian-style homes. I like the towers and the turrets and the intricate woodwork. And I would like at least 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. I don't know if we need much more than that.
I honestly don't want to look at anything less than 4 bedrooms. We have family that lives out of town. I would just really like a room and kind of a little bit of a separate area for them. Rooms are pretty separate, and there's a formal dining, so that's good.
I don't think a formal dining room is necessary. I feel like it's a room that is there for her to decorate, but we would rarely use.
And I totally disagree. I would love a formal dining space. Someday when we have kids, I want to take them away from the TV and sit down by the table and have family suppers. I don't like the color of the cabinets, though. White everything would be my ideal kitchen. I don't want an open floor plan, though, because otherwise I feel like it's just one big open space, and you throw a rug in this corner, and you call it the living room, and you throw it over here, and you call it the dining room.
I would like to be open. I like having the living, dining, kitchen all together as one.
That one's cute.
It's a small garage, though. I would love to have a 3-stall garage. We only have 2 vehicles, but I've got a lot of tools. I would love to have a big private backyard, and then ideally I would have a finished basement. I would love to have a wood-burning fireplace. I love the ambiance they bring, and I love the smell of them.
But I prefer gas just because wood, I feel like it makes your house smell, and it gets smoky, and it's a lot of work. I would love a soaker tub, just somewhere I can come relax after a stressful day at work and kind of have my me time, my Paige time.
We got a 4-bedroom house here. It's got 2,349 square feet, and it's priced at $234,900. I brought Stacy and Paige to this house because I felt like this house had a lot of what Stacy wanted with the 2-story Victorian feel.
I was hoping it would be a little more of a Victorian home, but I do like that it's a double-stall garage at least.
I really wanted to see a ranch, and it was that 2-story that I'm not really looking for, so it wasn't the best first impression.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. This is a great room, Dean.
Oh, that's a little low.
We'd have to change that. I do like how
work.
this room kind of gives you that wow factor with the tall ceilings.
Yeah. I wish it was more hardwood floor throughout all here, but we can work with carpet, I suppose.
I really like the carpet. I think it makes the living room nice and cozy.
We can always swap it out if we decide.
Well, we'll see. Nice big fireplace, too. That's great. And it's gas, so that's perfect.
I kind of wanted a wood fireplace, but this will work.
This is your formal dining area.
Sweet.
This is our wasted room that we won't use.
No, not at all. This is great.
I'm not a fan of a formal dining room because I feel like we'd use it twice a year at most, and the rest of the time it's just unused.
He thinks we're not going to use it very much, but I don't want to be sitting in front of the TV eating supper every night. Over here's the kitchen.
This is nice.
It's okay. It's definitely not my white kitchen. I don't like the oak cabinets, and I don't like the blue countertops. I'm really looking for a white updated kitchen. I would love stone countertops, and I feel like the flow and the function of this kitchen just isn't ideal for me. Oh, so there's our half bath. That's nice. And the laundry right around the corner.
Laundry right
It's
here.
nice to have that on the main floor.
Right, main floor. And what's this door behind us?
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is great.
It's not the 3-stall garage I wanted, but it's got a workbench. I'm probably asking for a little too much, asking for a 3-stall garage, but if Aaron can find a house for us with one, that would be great. Got a nice little patio, but it's definitely not big and it's definitely not private.
You know, if you look over to your side yard,
Oh.
that's quite spacious. And it does have some pine trees.
I hate those pine trees. They kill the grass, and I just don't like the look of them. I'm not a fan of the pine trees outside. I know we can rip them out if we want, but that's just more work than I'm looking for.
It's gonna be very difficult to find a home without pine trees in South Dakota. Here's the basement, the fireplace.
Another fireplace.
This is nice.
Gives us a second living space, which is something
Definitely.
we wanted. So, and we got a bedroom around the corner.
Absolutely, we got a nice,
Ooh,
big, spacious bedroom here.
yikes.
Yikes.
These are some crazy colors.
I'm not sure what they were thinking, but it is a big room. But this would work pretty good for an in-law suite, I think.
There's another bathroom over here for the
Really?
in-laws too.
Awesome.
Oh, nice.
Upstairs, they peek into the 2 guest bedrooms and a hallway bath on the way to the master suite.
Here's your master bedroom.
This is nice.
This is nice, but I hate that light fixture. That's gotta go. The brass is just dated, and I do not like that.
Here is your master bathroom.
With the soaker tub. What do you think?
Very nice.
I wonder if you can fit in that, Stace.
We'll find out. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sure.
There's plenty of room in here.
Yeah, you fit.
Is it Indian style?
That's how you know.
Cross feel like a kid again.
Hey, look, it's our ranch.
Walking up right away, I was disappointed. I wanted it to be a 2-story, so I wasn't too excited right off the bat.
Hey, Aaron.
Hey, Aaron.
Morning, team.
How's
How
it
we
going?
doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Hey, we got a ranch home. We got 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 3-stall garage,
Sweet.
and it's 2,300 square feet.
Oh,
Awesome.
that's a good size.
We are at $250,000. We're at the top of your budget.
Ooh.
Ooh, way at the top.
Not much wiggle room there, I suppose.
No. But I think we're gonna like it.
Sounds good. Huh. Not much of an entry.
No, but I really like the floors in here.
This is a tiny living room.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, like I don't even know if our furniture would fit in here, honestly. This is the dining space.
Right
This
here?
right here is your dining space.
This
That's-
is tiny.
This is perfect. Love that you can see into the other rooms. It's really good for entertaining or for kids. You can see them from the kitchen.
I'm really disappointed by the dining room. It's open, it doesn't have its own walls, and honestly, I don't even think I could fit my table in there. Kitchen is tiny. It is really small. I was really hoping for a white kitchen though. I really want my white cupboards.
Well, you want to check out the family room here?
Absolutely.
This is interesting.
I like all the woodwork on the wall here.
Yeah.
That fireplace is pretty sweet. But the only thing is, it's gonna make our house smell like
Delicious
Smoke.
wood.
no, like smoke. We could just replace that with a gas insert.
That's a lot of work and a lot of money that we wouldn't have.
That's
so.
also true.
All right. Let's take a step outside.
Oh wow. Stace,
Oh,
look how
man.
big this is. This is huge.
This is awesome, Aaron. I love the big, huge trees and no pine trees.
No pine trees.
Not a
Nailed
single
it.
pine
Yeah.
tree.
You
This
know
is
how hard it is to
great.
find a backyard with no pine trees?
Our future family could have a lot of fun in this backyard. I can see us making a nice patio back there, grilling a nice barbecue area.
Well, if you like this, you need to see the garage.
All right, awesome.
Come on in.
Here it is.
All right, attached double stall. Big plus, I like it. You know, there's not a good place to put my workbench or anything though.
Well, this isn't it. There's more.
What?
Yeah. Follow me.
Awesome.
Lucky you.
Oh, the third stall.
3rd stall.
This is spot on.
Across the house are a guest bath and 2 bedrooms.
It's kind of an awkward size.
Yeah.
Let's look at this master.
A lot bigger than the other two, that's for
It's
sure.
a great size.
Yeah. Here's your master bathroom.
Ooh, yikes. This is small. And I don't have my tub. And the bathroom is just tiny. There's one sink, a shower, there's no tub, and I really wanted a tub.
They head downstairs to a finished basement.
This is a good size room.
Yeah.
This is a nice size room.
There's an additional bathroom and 2 bedrooms in the basement as well.
Ooh,
Ooh, yeah.
this is
Watch
a little
out.
short.
Low bridge.
Not sure how this would work for me,
A little tight.
but thanks for a great in-law suite downstairs here.
Yes.
So now they're headed to another option that their agent hopes will win Stacy over with some historical features.
I like it. It's a little bit older, a little more Victorian. I like the windows and the front porch.
Yeah, it's not that ranch I was looking for, but it does have the porch.
Hey,
Aaron.
guys.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
We got a nice 2-story here. It's priced at $189,900. It's a 3 bedroom, 3 bath,
3 bedroom though. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I really was looking for 4.
and it's 1,600 square feet.
Awesome. And it's under budget. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Let's check it
for
out.
sure.
I love this front porch.
Yeah, it's really
The
cute.
swing.
You can see us sitting out here in the summer.
Definitely.
This is neat.
This is nice. I really like the hardwood floors right when you walk in.
Yeah, Yeah, but it's a little tight, I feel like. Kind of an awkward layout for a living room. But I'm noticing these little built-in details, which are actually really cute.
It's nice, and I like, kind of opens it up to the next area too.
Yeah.
which is
But yet it still kind of separates it,
Right.
which was something I was kind of looking for. So
very true.
yeah, I like that. Those are cool.
Wow, this is really nice. And I love the fact that it's not a formal dining room. We still have our dining space, but it's a part of everything else. So if people are sitting at the table, you could still be in the kitchen.
I really want my formal dining room. I kind of have a whole vision for that space. And, you know, this is a nice space, but it's just not really what I'm looking for.
Well, guys, you should check out the beautiful kitchen here that's been recently remodeled.
Yeah,
this is awesome.
this is beautiful.
It's got the stone countertops, the tile backsplash, and the new stainless steel appliances.
It's great. If I could just take this white kitchen and put it in a 4-bedroom home, that would be perfect for me. Oh, wow.
This is really nice. It's
Yeah,
big.
this is huge.
It's not super private.
What's going on with this garage, though?
Yeah, so this is a single stall, but it's double deep, so it is technically a double stall garage.
I think you found a loophole in my wish list for a 3-stall garage.
Back inside, they head downstairs to the basement.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think this is quite the finished basement you were looking for.
I guess there's a lot of extra money in the budget that we could do some work down here, but I'm just not even sure I'd want to with having to walk down these stairs the whole time.
Yeah.
I absolutely hate the basement. It's just way too much work, and it's work that I don't want to do.
Upstairs on the second floor are 2 guest bedrooms and a hall bathroom.
Look right into your neighbor's house. I feel
Yeah,
like
how
if
would
I
that
was
work?
sitting here, I don't want to know him that well.
No, I would agree.
Well, here's the master.
Yeah, this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going
Yeah,
to
it's a
be for
great
this
size.
old of a home.
Really nice big windows too. I like that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Lets in some natural light. Oh, nice. I didn't realize there was a bathroom in
yeah.
here.
This is nice. I hate that there's no room for a tub in the master.
I want to see Paige happy, and if it means having a bathtub, so be it. It's not something that is a must for me, so I could definitely do without it.
Now, Stacy and Paige will have to decide what's most important. A formal dining room, a 3-car garage, or a renovated kitchen.
Okay, Stace, I think we need to make a decision pretty soon.
Okay, let's talk about that 2-story house that was $234,900.
One thing I love about that house is it has a formal dining room. Plus, it had that in-law suite that we're looking for in the basement.
I think that'd be an awesome place for our in-laws, but I would definitely have to be sacrificing a 3-stall garage. And the yard wasn't ideal for me. I kind of wanted a big private backyard that's kind of more of a side yard.
Yep.
And it had those pine trees in the yard, which I was not a fan of at all.
Well, that house had the soaker tub, and that was something I really wanted.
Okay. So what do you think about that ranch for $249,900?
Well, I obviously love that one because it was a ranch, and
Right.
it had 5 bedrooms, which is awesome.
I really liked the fact that it was the only house with a 3-stall garage.
Yeah.
And that yard was awesome.
That yard was amazing. And the kitchen was small, and there was no formal dining.
Right, I think there's room for improvement with the kitchen.
There is, but it's at the top of our budget, so.
Right, that would make things difficult. Okay, let's talk about that historical bungalow for $189,900. Yeah, I really like the price on that one. And it really wasn't the Victorian I was looking for, but it definitely had some of the historical feel that I wanted.
I was really bummed about the formal dining space in that house. I thought it being an old home, it would probably have one, but I think maybe I could look past that for that kitchen set, but it was white, it had the nice countertops, it was big.
It didn't have the in-law suite, though.
Yeah, that basement
Didn't have
was a
anything in
bummer.
the basement, so.
No second living space. What'd you think about that garage, though?
The garage, I liked that it was a 2-stall, but I didn't like that it was a tandem 2-stall.
And there was no tub.
But with the extra room we have in the budget, I think we could put a tub in that
Yeah.
extra bathroom.
So which one will they choose?
I think I know which one I want. Do you?
I think so. What do you think?
I'm thinking the traditional 2-story.
Really?
Yeah.
That's one I like too. I really like that it's a 2-story home. The bedrooms are separate from our entertaining and living space.
Yep. You know, and I really wanted a ranch, but I love that it has a formal dining room. And it did have a soaker tub. Let's call Aaron and put an offer in.
Let's go call him right now.
Set it right in the center underneath.
I think it turned out great.
I do too.
The house was listed for $234,900 and we paid it full price at $234,900.
We've been in the house about 2 weeks now, and we love being here.
We love the neighborhood. It's a really quiet street and everybody's been really welcoming since we've been here.
That's heavy.
It is heavy, but it fits good.
Sure does. There's actually quite a few pieces in this house that we've put our own little touch on, from either finding it at antique stores or flea markets. I think this is a perfect spot for the lamp we found at the thrift store.
That was a good find. Really good
Plug it
price.
in for me.
I got it. It's really feeling like home now that everything's kind of decorated to our liking.